Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve x power 6 is equals to square root of 2 power square root of 2 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So first I am going to multiply with power 6 both sides. Now according to exponent rule, a power n, we can write it as a power mn or a power n power m. So we can write this as x power 6 power x power 6 is equals to root 2 power 6 times root 2 with the help of this. Now x power 6 is equals to root 2. 6 we can write it as 3 times 2 root 2. Now again I'm going to use this property. So x power 6 is equals to root 2 power 3 whole power 2 root 2. Now 2 root 2 we can write it as root 2 times root 2 times root 2 because this gives us 2 and root 2. So we can write 2 root 2 as root 2 power 3. So here I am going to write it as x power 6 is equals to root 2 power 3 power 2 root 2 as root 2 power 3. Now if we compare both sides, so the value of x power 6 is root 2 power 3. Now I am going to multiply with 1 by 6 power both sides. So here x is equals to root 2 power 1 by 2. So x is equals to root 2 and 1 more. So the value of x is root 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.